How to hide Google Photos app in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and navigate to Google Photos application on your home screen and tap hold on it. Here you will see the option for Require Face ID. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Hide and Require Face ID option you see there if you want to hide the app. So tap on that and you will be required to enter your Face ID. So enter your Face ID and in the confirmation that appears again, tap on the Hide App option. Now, with this, as you can see, Google Photos has been hidden. So if you want to view the hidden apps, then go to your app library and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the hidden tab there. Simply tap on it and enter your Face ID and you will be able to view all the apps that you have hidden. So this is how you can hide Google Photos app in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.